Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can like notes on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Instagram application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now from here, tap on the messenger icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And as you can see from here, you will see all of the notes from your friends on Instagram. So to like a specific note, what we want to do is to tap on the note. And as you can see, there is a heart button or a like button on the right side. So we just want to tap on that. Also, another way to like the note is to simply double tap on the note like this. So that's basically how you can like notes on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.